Hey there, in this video I want to show a quick example of why it's always important to test your Webflow website and not be so reliant on what you're seeing while in designer mode. So here we are in designer mode, and I set up a quick sample hero section, and in this project I've added two separate and different heading elements. I have one heading for the tablet breakpoint and another for mobile landscape and portrait. Let's first talk about mobile landscape. So as you see, we're in the mobile landscape breakpoint, and I have a heading, and this heading has the class of show mobile landscape. It's navy blue, and it says this should show on mobile landscape. Now if I go to the tablet breakpoint, we have a different heading. This one has a class name of show tablet. It's red, and it says this should show on tablet. And now for good measures, I'll go ahead and republish my site. And now that it's published, I'm going to show you what I see when I visit this website on two actual devices. One will be my old phone, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and my current phone, an iPhone 14 Pro. Now as you can see, my Galaxy, when turned sideways, is displaying what we designed in the tablet breakpoint in designer mode. While on the iPhone, what we're seeing is the correct mobile landscape design. Now in my experience, because most pages have a scroll where you can scroll down and it's a longer page, this usually isn't really an issue. However, when it does become an issue is something like a coming soon page where the design wants to be 100 viewport height, and there's like a logo or maybe a sign up form in the direct middle of the page. In those cases, I've always had to have some sort of scroll down for mobile landscape, but then I'm able to keep the 100 viewport height for tablet and mobile portrait. It's just mobile landscape would then have to have some sort of scroll to accommodate it. All in all, it's probably something you'd have just face a fraction of the time, but something you should definitely be aware of. So there you go, a quick situation of something that happens if you don't test your Webflow websites. Hope this helps in your future projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.